What exactly is children in React, and why does almost every reusable component end up using it? This question sounds simple, but it quietly tests whether you understand composition, not just JSX syntax. Here is the core idea. Children is a conventional prop that contains everything passed between the opening and closing tags of a component. React types it as ReactNode, not just JSX, so it can be an element, a string, a number, an array of elements, or null, undefined, and false, which simply render nothing. With children, a component becomes a generic container. First reason children matters: composition instead of inheritance. Instead of extending a base class, you wrap components inside each other. A layout wraps a sidebar and page content. React encourages composition over inheritance everywhere, and children is the fundamental mechanism that makes that possible. Second reason, inversion of control. Look at a modal component that simply renders children inside a div. The modal does not know what is inside it, the parent decides the content. Because of this, many React components act as structural containers rather than fixed UI elements. Now an advanced pattern, render props via children. Here children is not markup, it is a function. Data provider calls children as a function, passing it fresh data. It is a powerful pattern, though today it is often replaced by custom hooks. Another advanced pattern, slots or named children. A layout component can accept header and footer as separate props alongside children, giving you multiple content regions instead of a single blob of markup. Watch out for common mistakes: putting complex logic inside children, mutating children directly, leaning on clone element magic, and designing APIs that become difficult to read because the structure is hidden. Here is the interview-ready answer. Children is a universal prop used to pass UI structure into a component, making components declarative, reusable, and extensible. It separates a component's layout from its content, enabling composition and inversion of control. And the mental model to keep. Children represents everything nested inside a component. It is the primary mechanism for composition in React. That is all for today. If this video helped you understand what children really is and how it drives composition in React, hit the like button and subscribe. If you want to be able to explain React like this in an interview, check the link below. A new React deep dive drops every week. See you in the next one. Bye bye.